and just exploding with my stuff. I need to stop him. Why is he blocking my area? Atharva, stop. Okay, what did you steal? Let me see what did he steal. He stole my iron, first of all. Atharva, stop stealing stuff. I will give you iron armor. Stop stealing my stuff. He already crafted himself iron armor. I need to just... Atharva, please stop. This is a private my world. But he already took my bow too. Atharva, you took my bow too. Atharva, stop. Atharva, please. My brother is just robbing my house. But my diamond blocks are actually kept in a secret chest. Actually moved them last episode that I might knew that this guy would come in my world. Okay. Okay, guys, jokes apart, but otherwise in our world, he already knows half about it. But yeah, today we are going to do some collaborations. Hello, Atharva. Today we are going to build your house, okay? Okay. Atharva, you want to come to the nether? You want to come to the nether?
No.
No? Okay, so let's see. What are you going to do right here? And can you just stop stealing stuff? He's just stealing stuff. I've actually not replaced anything in the house. The last few episodes, I'm just sitting in. Don't make a diamond sword without my permission, Atharva. You are not. And stop stealing stuff also. Because you are just stealing stuff. Stop coming in my chest room and stealing all of my stuff. Guys, he's just stealing stuff from me. I need to do something about it. Okay, Atharva, you want to come for some mining? Okay, he's coming for mining, guys. This one thing that he likes is mining. No? Okay, guys. I'm going to actually cut the video till we are in the mines. I'm actually going to show him wherever I found diamonds. Atharva, come here. Atharva, wait. I will show you where did I find diamonds. This area I found diamonds. This area, Atharva, now you... Oh my god, guys. This is the area I found diamonds. I just mined it out. Or you guys, let's see. Oh my god, stop hitting me. This is another area I found diamonds. Another area where I found diamonds. This was actually a very big vein. This is just an open cave. This is another area where I found diamonds. Atharva, stop hitting me, or I think I have to make a diamond sword and beat you to death. Ah, my god, this guy. Oh my god, I didn't craft a cheat. Run from my brother, bro. Okay, this is another area where I found diamond. That's a cave. Atharva. So I'm just going to strip mine till I find some more. Okay, now stop. Please don't. I have an infinity bow. You want the taste of this, Atharva? Okay, guys, I'm going to stop the video till I'm find some more. Hello, guys. I just died and I'm on a secret mission. Oh, where did he? What is this? Why is he here? Atharva, why are you here? I was on a secret mission to troll you. Atharva, let's build your house. Atharva, let's build your house. Okay, let's build your house. Come here. Tell me which type of house you like. You like my house? You like this house? Atharva, you like this house? So go and build yourself a house. Here is the axe. If you need any material, tell me. I will bring it to you. Now go and build your house, okay? Go. Don't build it near the village. I need the village, okay? I'm just going to harvest my crops now. This is gone. I think he took my materials from my chest even. Pero please stop. I have only limited number of wood. Let's see what he took from my chest room. He didn't take any seeds. He took some saplings. Like always, he always takes stuff from me but never gives me. He took little of my dirt. He took my tools. He didn't take any nether items. Good thing. And he took ores. Atharva, please stop taking ores from my chest, man. Please don't. Wood. He took my wood. Atharva, I'm going to revenge you if you don't. Okay, Atharva, I'm coming to you. I'm going to help you make you build my house. I changed my decision. I've changed my decision. I'm going to... Where are you building your house? Tell me that. Oh my god. Guys, I'm going to get to you. when he is, we know where to build. We are going to build his house.
अभी जैसे
Atharva, you need which wood? Tell me. I will just cut it and bring it to you, please. Which wood do you need?
this is my number. It's good. I will make.
You need birch wood. Okay. I know. I shouldn't.
Okay.
Okay. I'll bring you birch and oak wood. Okay, Atharva. Please don't damage anything else. You just choose your area. Okay. My game is so laggy now. I'm sorry, guys, for the footage. Next time I'll just clear space and come to you guys. And today my footage is actually pretty cranky. Actually, I'm just going to break some wood for my brother because he is a dumber. He is not doing anything other than irritating me. And I'm going to actually do. I can plug the plug, but as he's my brother, I never pull the plug on him, taking revenge from me. Let me just take it, take the wood, bring it, bring some dark oak wood for my brother. Okay, let's just ask him, hey brother, do you like my world or not? Let's just ask him. I don't think he likes the world. No, okay. Let's just cut some big wood, birch wood, and give it to him as a surprise. He is also recording his own side of the video. So if you want, you can probably watch that. Also, if you don't like my perspective, okay, and also go and subscribe. Atharva, please shut up. I want to do some. I want to tell my subscribers something. Guys, he is also a new YouTuber. His link will be in the description. His name is Vega Gamer. If you want, go and subscribe to him. Okay, done. This is a surprise for him. Please don't tell him. Okay, Atharva, I'm back in the call. Nothing usual. You don't need to know that. Nothing that unusual. I'm just going to cut you a bunch of wood as you are irritating me in the first. Let me just grab some more for you. Oh my god, there is so scarcity of earth trees. I already cut them down. So Atharva, what are you going to build your house in? Only wood? Wolf. I needed a wolf. Wolfie. Tame. Check. No, stand. Yes, I've got 5 wolves in my world, bro. Wolfie, let's return home, Wolfie. Let's just. Guys, I'm returning home to give wood to him.
Okay. Why all of them
Tarva, why are you now going in my jungle house? That's a private house. Okay, that's not. Okay, Atharva, now stop. Please stop spamming in my farm. Please. Don't break the crops, okay? Wolfie, come. I can't hit him. Atharva. Please. Atharva, hoe it. Let me hoe it. Please plant it again. I need those crops afterwards for villager breeding processes. You are in the series. You should also kindly observe my. Atharva, plant those potatoes back.
What I want to fry.
Please, Atharva. I got a poisonous potato. Are you kidding me? Atharva, take this wood and build your house. Take this. Take this. And where is my boss? Take that. And please go and build your house. Go. Go and build your house. And stop irritating me. Guys, we're just going to go back to the episode, I guess. Leave my brother to build his house. Please don't build your house in like my storage. Doggy, come here. And Atharva, one rule: please don't kill my doggies. Okay, they're nice. Okay, they will protect us both, and they are always seated. So don't disturb them. They will not disturb you. This dog is not coming in. Oh, he's just building his house near my farm. That was going to be my sheep farm. I guess now I have to build another area for sheep. Now where is the dog went? Where the dog went? You went that side, okay. Let's see doggy. Duke. Okay, oh no. Doggy, do you eat seeds? You don't eat this? Okay. You come and sit here. Please come, doggy. Doogie. Hi, Atharva. What is Atharva doing? Okay, I'm going to make this dog sit and guard Atharva's house because he's my brother. I know he irritates me sometimes, but he's my brother. Okay, I'm going to make him sit here. He's a nice dude. He's a nice dude. Okay, okay, doggy. Please protect my brother. Okay, you're a job here. Okay, done. Yeah, Atharva, you have a dog guarding you. I'm just gonna. You have a dog guarding you. I placed a dog near your base. The potatoes. I'm going to make my sugar cane. I probably need to make an enchantment room now. I have so many diamonds. I probably should. Let's just carve an area out for an enchantment room. I'm going to make it right here in this cave. Okay. I'm going to make my. I haven't actually converted my diamonds into diamond armor. You guys can see this fair and square. I have 5 and 7. 5 blocks of diamonds and 7 diamonds. It's actually 64 diamonds now. As I mined more for them. I have so many. Oh my god, I have so many diamonds. I think I'm going to be rich by this time after this episode is all out. If I sell them to someone, I can actually become pretty rich. I don't want to sell them. I want these diamonds. Iron. I found 2 pieces of iron. Let's go. Let's plant that in our furnace. Atharva, you want to sleep in my mine shaft?
I want wood.
More wood? Wait, what is he doing? He's just building a camp for him. I think. Yep, that's definitely a camp. You need more wood? Atharva, take this and go farm for wood, okay? Don't break anything of my property, or I will have to ban you. Take that. Go, there is wood. Go out of my fence gates. Go and get some wood, okay? Atharva, please. Atharva, wait, let me shoot him. I have stuff to shoot that creeper. I have an infinity power 3 bow, so there is no worry in defeating these mobs. Now you can go. Now the creeper is dead. You can probably go and fight the zombie. You have iron armor. Ah, stop hitting me. What did I do? Let me just back to my work, guys. Now my brother is really irritated. Doggy, you can come right here again if you want. Let's just go back into our mine and grab more quartz for us to make an enchantment room. Atharva, now you're sleeping. Now he's sleeping. Now for irritating me, oh my god, now he's sleeping in my mine shaft. Oh my god, I have to go back again. Atharva, stop. Stop it. Sleep. Okay. Atharva, please go and cut wood. Please go and cut wood. If you want jungle wood, tell me. I have a lot of jungle wood. Stop, Advait. What is that, Atharva?
Stop giving me order.
Need 1, 2, 3, 4. That's perfect. Let's just get some quartz. Let's get some quartz block and actually make ourselves an enchantment room. You know, an enchantment room is going to be a pretty big task. Okay. Let's see how many blocks of quartz we can. 14 blocks of quartz. That's not even enough. We need more afterwards. I'm going to go in the nether. Let's put in the nether and more afterwards. But for now, I think it's enough. I think, yeah. I'm going to not place one there. I don't need it right there. So that's no, I need another space. Okay, we need area for bookshelf too. So not going to be enough. I already know it. Still, for room we need room. Okay, I think this video is pretty laggy for you guys. I'm so sorry. Please don't unsubscribe to me like my brother always does. Please subscribe, but I will probably solve the problem next time. Atharva, please. Did you cut anything? Oh, this time he really is helping. Hello, Atharva. Hello, Atharva.
What?
Okay. I mean, I thought he left the call. He's not. He has not left the call. Let's just go in my little hubby setup and get more quartz in from the nether. Atharva, are you coming to the nether to get more quartz? No. Let us just go into the nether. Atharva, please don't do anything while I'm in the nether. Guys, from now on, this is going to be duo. I have another friend. He might be coming. I don't know him, but my brother has actually come. And if you want him to be in the videos, please hit more subscribe button because I'm not getting that much subscribers to add him in my sub walls. Now I'm going to actually build myself also a sub wall. Whoever subscribe is going to be on my subscriber wall. So be ready for that. My brother should be on the subscriber wall because they actually subscribe to me. I'm going to get more stuff while we are in the nether and get more stuff. Just stuff. Oh, we got another fortress. Oh, that's too down. That's too down. Should I risk my life and go down there? Let's just make ourselves by placing sand and gravel. Uh, oh no, I know this is going to be long fall. Maybe it kill me. Oh, yep, knew that would happen. Oh, my chunks are not loading now. Whoa. My brother is become a very good builder. He also knows redstone. He has many channels. Go subscribe to them.
And I want to.
Ah, I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to cut this off till I get quartz. Okay, guys, I've had a quick talk with my brother and went into the nether to grab some quartz and stuff. I'm going to store more stuff in our chest as my stuff. See, there is some this. Don't worry, I'm going to solve this. Minecraft is just not behaving in our way now, as my flow is actually my phone is actually going pretty slow. Okay, let's just store more stuff in there.
Fine, Nazar. Let's go, brother.
So wait. We need pickaxes. First, let's make ourselves enchanted tools. Let me make this.
So, while we what
I don't know what he's speaking, guys. He's probably speaking something. I'm going to just link this whole thing. Um, quartz. Quartz is pretty nice, and they are actually pretty like fast. Okay, now he's speaking. Okay, now what is he speaking? Let's see. Yeah, we need to find netherrack, Atharva. I know that. Please don't hit me. Please tell it in chat. I cannot understand on the phone. Oh,
I am telling.
please tell it in chat, Atharva. I am showing room tour. Okay. Let's see. Atharva's room tour. Let's go. Atharva, you're a dude. Let's
No,
go.
not my
Please speak loudly, Atharva. We cannot actually understand you.
what you call get out.
Okay. We have our big tree.
I not can't listen me. So by out after this
Jesus Christ, Atharva.
time.
That mine obsidian. Where is the obsidian, Atharva? Did you see my obsidian?
Can you give the diamond pickaxe I want? Right.
What do you want? Oh, netherite. But first that for that I can give you iron pickaxe, not diamond. I need those diamonds. Atharva, did you see my extra obsidian? I need more 3 pieces of obsidian. Okay, Atharva. I'll meet you guys when I have that obsidian. Okay, guys, I've actually found all the obsidian that we needed. I'm going to go mine one extra just so that we need it, just in case we need it. And then I'm going to just burn in lava. Oh, that was redstone right there. Let's break through this. I should probably make myself at least a stone or iron because I'm going to waste my diamond pickaxe. Okay, please don't disturb me, anyone. Okay, let's. Huh, Kai? Let's ask him. Yes or no? Okay, let's ask him what he's doing. My game is pretty laggy now, I know. Sorry guys about that. It's laggy, I know. Okay, let's just go and tell him what. Hello, Atharva, what happened? Oh, he's stuck. I see he's stuck. He's looking at the obsidian. Wait, let us kill him so that he respawns. Okay, Atharva. Now he can respawn. Now press the respawn button. Atharva, press the respawn button. I think he's gone. I don't know. I'm not able to communicate with him. Hello, Atharva. I don't know what happened, guys. I'm just waiting if he talks. Till then, I'm actually doing my I'm making the enchantment table, which we need. Atharva, please respawn. We can't see you. Atharva, please type it in the chat. We cannot actually see that. Okay, guys. Today's video is going to be 7 minutes short. I'm just going to make this enchantment table, place it, and I'm going to cut this video. He left the game. I think he went. Okay, thank you, Atharva. I'm actually going to get it to you guys. Now I'm just going to make this enchantment table. He's going to back in the series next episode. I'm going to make my book. B-O-O-K. B-O. Make my book. What is the book first? Book is actually okay. One leather. We need just one leather content. I need now to open this. Oh, he joined back. He just joined back, guys. I don't know what he's doing. My game is extra laggy. Okay, guys. Okay, it's laggy. Okay, it's only 10% battery remaining now. I'm just going to climb up here. Okay, he's dry. He's back. I don't know how. Back. He's back now. No, Hot is speaking. I'm going to make myself that enchantment table. Stop hitting my dog, Atharva. And hitting me. Please, Atharva. I'm going to make that enchantment table. Okay, hit me. I need to go home. Enchantment table. Let's make that enchantment table. Atharva, come here. A surprise for you. There we go. Atharva, this is your surprise. Okay, guys. For today, that's it. I am going to now close the video. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like. Leave the like. And thank you.